In this video, I will show you how to create a Klarna account. To do this, simply go and open up the Klarna website or download the app on your phone and then just open it up. Now, once you open up the app for the first time, you will see this. From here, you just want to go and click on Sign Up right in the middle of the screen. Then choose where you live. From there, go and click on Sign In and then Continue. Now here, click on Create Account and enter your phone number. Then they will send a text message to your phone number, so simply enter the code right here. After that, you will need to enter your email, and they will then send a verification code to your email address. After doing that, it will then redirect you to Klarna, and you will then need to create a Klarna code. Then you can enable Face ID if you want, or skip it. Now, from here, you can turn on notifications or not. And now you have created your Klarna account, and you can now start using it. So now you know how to create a Klarna account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.